and standard deviation. Already we discussed in the previous classes, that is the range as well as the mean deviation. Now standard deviation. Standard deviation. This is one of the very important to measure the deviation among the variables. So what are the deviation is there among the variable, that will be known with help of the standard deviation. So what are the deviation means, what are the changes are there, what are the variance is there, that will be known with help of the standard deviation. For example, one student mark is there 10, 15, 20, one particular subject out of 30, and this is a 25, he got 30, then he got 3. So what is the deviation among the subject to subject? It means what are the changes are there. So that will be known with the help of the standard deviation. As it is individual series, discrete series and continuous series. This is a very important. You can expect one problem your midterm examination. May Harble, my voice is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this is a very important one problem you can expect 10 marks question your midterm examination. Here, as is you know, what is that? Standard deviation in case of the individual series, discrete series and continuous series. So generally the standard deviation value always plus or minus that will be preferable. Less value, then only the deviation among the variables are less. So always remember the standard deviation always less than 1. Then only it means less value. Other x, one student is there, y student is there. So standard deviation, which one is the less, that performance is very well in case of the decision. Okay, standard deviation is equal in case of the individual series sigma x square divided by n, where x is equal to x minus arithmetic mean. That's all. This is the in case of the individual series. This is in case of the individual series. Okay? Clear?
So that first x is standard deviation. Standard deviation is equal to x minus mean.
Root of sigma x square divided by n.
Okay, understood.
It is not visible?
It's visible. It was blurry for a second.
Now? Yes?
Sir, do we have mean, mode, median in here also?
No, mean very important. Only mean. Here
Okay,
also,
sir.
remember, this is the simple calculation of the individual series. That is the calculation of the standard deviation in individual series. Here also one more is there, that is the assumed mean. Assumed mean. In this case, standard deviation is equal to root of sigma d square divided by n minus sigma d whole square divided by n, where d is equal to x minus a. Answer will be same.
Sir, down it is not visible.
Okay? Okay, leave it first. Did you write here up to here formula?
Yes,
This
sir.
is finished?
Indeed.
Past. Secretary, did you write up to here? All of you?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Written.
Okay, this is the individual series. So that is the deviation taken from the arithmetic mean, and this is a popular simple to calculation. Until if it is mentioned as the deviation, you have to take calculate standard deviation from assumed mean. In this case, in case of the standard deviation, the symbol is the line theta, standard deviation symbol. From assumed mean, in this case, standard deviation is equal to root of sigma d square divided by n minus sigma d by n whole square. Okay? sigma d by whole square. This is in case of the which series?
Individual series.
Individual
Arithmetic.
series.
Individual series from assumed mean. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. We'll do one problem on this. Both method I will do, then discrete series and continuous series will be finished. Yes. So values are 240. I will give some 240, 260. Otherwise you write. From the following information, calculate standard deviation. From the following information, calculate standard deviation. Okay. All values are visible? All values are visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now x and x square.
Sir, top we can't see, sir, a bit.
Sorry?
At the top level, we can't view that. Can you please scroll? Okay,
Okay.
thank you. Sir. Yeah.
Okay. Before that, what is the formula? Standard deviation symbol is equal to, what is the formula?
Sigma x square by n underscore.
Under root of sigma x
Root
square.
of sigma x square divided by n, where x is equal to x minus arithmetic mean.
Arithmetic mean.
Yes, Sridhar, what happened?
Nothing, sir.
Okay. So this is the formula. Now x. So before that, what we have to do? Arithmetic mean is equal to sigma x divided by n. Correct? Correct or wrong?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Individual series. So what we do? Sum of the observation. 240, 260. What is the sum? 240 plus 260 plus 290 plus 245 plus 255 plus 288 plus 272 plus 263 plus 277 plus 251. So 2641. Please you
Divided
check
by
yourself also. Two six four one వచ్చింది ఒకసారి చూడండి.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now arithmetic mean is equal to 2641 divided by 10. It means 26.41. 26.41. What is this? This is the standard deviation, correct?
arithmetic
Sir,
mean, sir.
shouldn't it be 264.1?
260,
264.1 instead
Yes, sir.
264.1.
0.1.
264.1. Okay. So this is the standard deviation or arithmetic mean?
mean.
Mean, very good. Now here x is equal to x minus arithmetic mean. So 240 minus 264.1 equal to 24.1. 260
Sir, it is minus 24.1.
minus any of these values square, 260 minus 264.1. So minus 4.1. 290 minus 264.1 is equal to 25.9. Now 245 minus 264.1 minus 19.1. 255 minus 288. 255 minus 264.1 minus 9.1. 288 minus 264.1 is equal to 23.9. 272 minus 264.1 7.9. 263 minus 264.1, so minus 1.1. 277 minus 264.1, 12.9. 251 minus 264.1, so minus 13.1. Correct? Please check. Don't depending on my answers.
Yes, sir, it's correct.
Correct? Now square. 24.1 into 24.1. 24.1 into 24.1 is equal to 580.81. 580.81. Next, 4.1 into 4.1 equal to 16.81. 25.9 into 25.9 equal to 670.81. 19.1 into 19.1 equal to 364.81. Next, 9.1 into 9.1, 82.81. 23.9 into 23.9, 571.21. 7.9 into 7.9, 62.41. 1.1 into 1.1, 1 to 1, 1.21. 12.9 into 12.9 equal to 166.41. 13.1 into 13.1 equal to 171.61. So these are the correct or wrong? Please check.
Correct.
Full visibility, okay? All values?
Yes, sir.
So what is the sum? What is the sum? $26,288.87. Correct or wrong? Yes, is it correct?
Yes, sir.
2688.87. So standard deviation is equal to root of sigma x square divided by n. So standard deviation is equal to root of 2688.87 divided by 10. So standard deviation is equal to root of 268.88. $16.39. Correct?
Yes, sir. 16.397.
So this value is the very high standard deviation. Means among the marks from one mark to the another mark there is a too much deviation is there. So this is the from deviation from which method?
Standard deviation.
Standard
Arithmetic
deviation.
Mean.
Standard deviation, but from arithmetic method. Correct?
Yes, sir.
I give small problem. This is a calculation. I will give only for 5 observations. Now we take from the assumed mean.
Sir, in the exam, can we leave the point after the point values?
Two
like
digits.
in the.
Two digits. 2 digits.
Okay, sir.
If you completed, please tell me. I will erase. Then I will give you only 5 observation with the assumed mean. I will tell you one. Then we will go for the discrete series. Then continuous series.
Okay, sir.
Fast.
Sir, this method will you give in exam?
Yes.
This method, sir, will you give it in exam?
Standard deviation, one problem you can expect because it is a decision area. A decision tomorrow I will discuss. Today I want finish individual series, discrete series, continuous series. Tomorrow when there are 2 observation means comparison between there. So which one is the better? So you have to write conclusion. That part I will discuss tomorrow. Today we will be finished up to continue series. Okay. Finish?
Sir,
Completed?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Calculate standard deviation from assumed mean. Calculate arithmetic mean from standard deviation from assumed mean. I will give you small problem. The previous there are so much calculations are there. Okay. Yes, marks 10, 15, 25. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 24. Okay? Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. From assumed mean. When there is a assumed mean, standard deviation is equal to root of sigma d square divided by n minus sigma d whole square divided by n, where d is equal to x minus a.
sir, I means assumed mean.
Sorry? Tell me what. Okay. So what is the A value? A is equal to
Assume
mean.
assumed mean. So we have to select
20,
from here or we have to
20,
calculate arithmetic?
20,
Yes.
20, 20.
Okay, go 20. So x minus A. A is equal to 20. So 10 minus 20 minus 10. Sorry.
Minus 10.
Minus 10. 15 minus 20 minus 5.
My
20, 20, 0. 5 minus 20 minus 15. 25 minus 20. 5. B square. 10 into 10, 100. 25, 0. 2, 25. 20. Correct or wrong? Values are
Correct.
correct or wrong?
correct.
375. 375. D also. I think 5. Correct? Fine now? D value. Minus 15. Minus 15. Finish.
Yes,
Only
sir.
5. Correct or wrong?
Sir, you said that we won't consider science in median, no, sir.
Sorry? Tell me what do you want?
Sir, he's asking we shouldn't consider minus signs means negative signs in these.
Except to only mean deviation. Rest of the things, whether it is a positive or negative, you can take as it. Except to mean deviation, all negative values are considered as a positive. Okay? Am I clear?
Sir, shouldn't
Yes,
it
sir.
be minus 25?
Minus 25 is coming. Okay. 15, 30, minus 5, minus 25. Correct?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Minus 20. What is the formula? What is the formula? Standard deviation is equal to root of sigma d square divided by n minus sigma d by n whole square. So standard deviation is equal to sigma d square 375 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minus sigma d minus 25 divided by 5 whole square. So standard deviation is equal to 375 divided by 5 is equal to 75 minus 25 divided by 5 minus 5 whole square. So standard deviation is equal to 75 minus 25. So standard deviation is equal to root of 50. Standard deviation is equal to
Sir,
Chepama?
sir, in the formula is the like whole square applicable to n also or only sigma d?
Only sigma. It will become both. Sigma d square 25 already we calculated. That is this 25 only, not both.
So n square also is there, na sir? Or only n?
No, only 25. D only.
Okay. I mean, I'm asking about the n, sir. The whole square for the.
No, only
up
for
and
the
down.
D only.
Okay. Okay.
Root 50. So
Sir,
7.07.
square is not there for n.
7.07. Yes.
Square in the second term. It is not for n.
Fine.
It's only for d.
Only
Sigma d.
D. Finish?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
May I
sir.
write?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now,
Sir,
which is
but your
this one?
sum, sir, if you say n square is not for n, but you squared 5 also, no, sir? Here.
Yes, sir. Then the answer will change.
How much is coming? 25. No, first you have to. No, do one thing. Don't confuse standard deviation. We are, 20, not only 25, it will be applicable 25 divided by 5 after you take square.
So the square is for the whole thing only, no, sir?
It will become both. If you take it, it will become length of. So I didn't see 25 divided by 5. You take like this. First you simplify.
Sir, after dividing, we can take a whole square, no?
Or if you take, that will become lengthy process. Better you first to simplify. That is a denominator, numerator. You can simplify. Then after you take. Next one is the discrete series. Okay. Standard deviation is equal to root of fx square divided by n, where x is equal to x minus arithmetic mean. So which series this one?
Discrete.
Discrete.
Discrete series. Discrete series, you know, always there is a frequency distribution. In case of the assumed mean, standard deviation is equal to root of sigma fd square divided by n minus sigma fd whole square divided by n. Okay. This is
Sir, an is assumed mean discrete series.
yes, d is equal to x minus a. D is equal to x minus a. Okay.
Sir, once can you repeat the formula of assumed mean?
Fd square divided by n minus sigma fd whole square divided by n, where d is equal to x minus a. A is equal to assumed mean. Okay.
Yes.
Is it clear? Okay. Anyway,
Sir,
we'll do
here whole square is for only fd whole square or fd by n whole square?
Generally, we'll write formula. It will become both.
Whole square, fd by
First,
n whole square.
fd divided by n, you simplify. After that, whatever may be value come, you square it.
Previous also same, no, sir?
Yes.
Whole.
Yes. From the following information, calculate.
Sir, in
From the
exam,
following
how
information,
should we
calculate.
write the formula, sir?
Yes. Chakri?
In exam, how we should write the formula, this formula?
Formula, don't worry. Root 2 may not be come. Instead of that one, you can put root of. Okay. So after that, fd put 2, no problem. By n. Instead of the n, you can put like this. Okay.
Sir, then what about sigma symbol?
Sigma symbol. SD. Instead of the sigma symbol, you put the SD.
Okay, sir.
SD
Sir,
is equal to
sir, but the square away it comes at sigma d square. Square
root
away
of.
can take.
Root of. What is the meaning? See. Root of. Okay. FD. Put 2 by n minus FD. Bracket is there. Divided by n. This is the formula. SD is equal to. If you write like this,
Okay.
it is not a formula of the standard deviation.
It's a standard deviation.
I can understand now. Root of, okay. This is the root of sigma fd square divided by n minus sigma fd whole square divided by n.
Sir, can we type FD2?
Chepamma?
Can we type FD2, sir? Like 2 will be in down. Like FD square.
I can understand.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir, okay.
పెట్టుకొని don't waste your valuable time. I can understand simply FD2 enough. There is no any functionals. Mathematical functionals మీకు దీనిలో క్విజ్ ఫెక్టరీ క్విజ్ లో లేవు. There are no any mathematical functions. Are there?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
So that's why I can understand. Even you wrote NCP1, the median calculation, I can understand.
Sir, did you correct our answers of NCP1?
Yes, it is progress. Most probably today it is going to finish. Ikram, I have too much busy classes. And after this we have one seminar. Okay? From the following information, calculate arithmetic mean. Yeah. 35. 45, 55, 65, 75. Okay, simple problem I am giving. 85, 95. All are visible?
Yes, sir.
7,
Yes.
22, 60, 80, 32 and 8. So sum how much is coming? Okay, leave it, no problem. Whatever. So we'll do both method. Okay? Shall we do both method? Half an hour I can, only 20 minutes. Tomorrow I have to take one more class. Morning.
Take, sir.
Yes, tomorrow I must take. Otherwise not possible because compulsory.
Sir, today I think we have free period at 3 o'clock.
When you have free period?
3 o'clock, because I think no scheduled.
No,
There is no
3 o'clock
scheduled
we have
meeting.
a seminar. 3 o'clock not possible. We have faculty, some seminar is there. Okay. Standard deviation is equal to sigma fx square divided by n. X is equal to x minus arithmetic mean. So arithmetic mean is equal to, what is the formula? Discrete series, what is the formula? Arithmetic mean.
Sigma fx by n.
Sigma fx divided by n. Okay. Sig fx. So 35 into 3. 35 into 3. 105. 45 into 7. 315. 55 into 22. 1210. 1210. 65 into 60. 3900. 75 into 80. 6000. 85 into 32. 2760. 95 into 8. 760. 760.
It is 2720.
2720.
Sir,
This one?
it is 2720.
This one?
Yes, sir.
Plus 2720 plus 6000 plus 3900 plus 1210 plus 315 plus 105. 15,010. Is it correct?
Correct, sir.
Is it correct?
Yes,
Correct.
sir.
Okay. Oh, n. 3, 10 plus 22, 32 plus 140, 32 plus 140 plus 2,
Sir, it's 212.
212.
Yes, sir.
Hmm?
Yes, sir. 212.
212. So arithmetic mean is equal to 15010 by 212. 15010 divided by 212. So 70.81. 70.80 otherwise. 70.08. Correct or wrong?
Correct, sir.
Correct, sir.
Okay. What is this? This is the arithmetic mean. So standard deviation SD is equal to root of sigma fx square divided by n. Okay. Oh my God, I have to calculate x. X is equal to arithmetic mean. May I write this one?
Yes, sir.
What is our arithmetic mean? 2
70.80.
270.80.
Sir, just 70.80.
271 shall we take?
Sir, can we take 71? It is only 70.80.
No problem. 271 you take.
Sir, it is not 270. It is two.
It is
It is
only
just
70.
2
2
217.
is not there.
2
2 is not there. Only 70.80.
70.80.
Can we take 71?
As you wish. One five zero
Minus 35.8.
Okay, 70 point actually 80. You took 71 or 70.8?
Sir, I took 71.
71. Okay. Now arithmetically round out 71. Okay. Now 35 minus 71. 35 minus 71.
minus 36.
39.
Minus
36.
36. Next. 45 minus 71.
Minus 26.
Minus 22. 55 minus 71.
Sir, the 45 one is minus 26.
Yes.
Next. 55 minus
Minus
71.
16, sir.
Next.
Minus 16.
Minus 16.
Minus 6.
Minus 6.
4.
Next.
4, sir.
4. I think 14. Then 24. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
10 difference now. Here all
Yes.
are the 10 difference. So minus 36 minus 25. Correct? 10 difference. Now fx square. 3 into 36.
Sir, x square we have to calculate, no? X square where you
Oh my
calculating?
God, one more step. X square. Yeah, 36 into 36. 36 into 36. 1296. 1296. I will same time I will do into 3. 3888. Okay? Fx square. Next. 26 into 26. 676. Into 7. 4372. 4372. 7. 16 into 16, 256 into 22. 5. 5, 6, 3, 2. Next, 36. 36 into 60. 0160. 80 into 4. 4, 4, 16. 16 into 80. 1280. 1280. Next, 14 into 14, 196 into 32, 6272. 24 into 24, 576 into 8, 4608. 6272 plus 80 plus 2160 plus 5632 plus 4372 plus 3800. So 28,212. Correct or wrong? Please check it.
Correct, sir. You can move forward.
Sir, I'm getting 28,572.
Sir, even I'm getting 28,572.
Yes. 28.
572.
Oh, this value, check it.
That only, sir.
That only,
These are all
sir.
correct.
Sir, that is 4332, 4732, not 4372.
4732 na?
4732.
Oh, 4732. So here now 28,000.
Sir, 47, sir.
Yeah, written 4332. It's
Now tell me
4732.
4.
732.
4732.
Okay. Now what is the sum?
28,572.
572.
572.
2.
Oh,
Yes.
please write down all these things. I will apply it in the formula. Standard deviation, it is a very important. Next chapter also depending on the standard deviation only.
Written, sir.
Okay. Whereas Erachala, whereas
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
okay. Standard deviation is equal to root of sigma fx square divided by n. So standard deviation is equal to root of 238,572 divided by what is the n value?
7.
In some of the
7.
212.
Sir,
212.
212, sir.
212.
212.
212.
28,572 divided by 212. 134.77. 134.77. So root of 134.77 is equal to 16.09. No. Sorry. 11.60. 11.60. Is it correct or wrong? You check your answer.
Correct, sir.
Correct, sir.
Okay. Same problem. You try to solve with assumed mean. What is the formula assumed mean? You know that. In case of the assumed mean, that is the standard deviation is equal to root of sigma fd square divided by n minus sigma fd by n whole square, where d is equal to, that is the x minus a. So what are we have now? What is the values are there? I think that is a 35 or 25 start.
35.
35, 45, 55, 65, 75, 85, I think. 1, 2, 3, 4. 85 only last value?
95.
Okay,
Till 95, sir.
From this, f you know, x and f I given. What are the values? F
3, 7,
3, 7,
22, 60,
22,
60,
60,
60, sir.
60, 60,
80,
80,
32,
32,
and 8.
8. So d is equal to now x minus a. You take any one from here, not f. Okay, I will do this one also. Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
A,
65.
a what value will take a?
So 35 is better, right? A simplified
As you
number.
wish. You take 35, 95, doesn't matter. 35?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
No problem. 35 minus 35 0. 45 minus 35 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Correct?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Correct.
Okay.
So we are doing d square now.
D square now. D square. 0, 100, 400, 900, 1600, 2500, 36. Correct? Is it correct?
So we'll do FD first, then we'll do FD square.
FD I will do and do MD square and doing now. No, this D square correct?
Yes, sir.
We'll do first FD. You want?
Yes, sir, we will do FD first.
As you wish. FD, then FD square. F 3 into, what is our D value? 0. 0. 7 into 10. 70. 22 into 20. 440. 22 into 20. Correct?
Sir, 440. 1800.
No, next one.
Yes, sir.
This is correct. 440.
Yes, sir, it's correct.
What is the next value?
1800.
1,800. Next.
3,200.
4,200. Next.
1,600.
1,600. Finish?
One more, sir.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes. What is the one more value?
Sir, it is 480. 480. 480.
480. Correct. Now FD square. What is our FD? 3 into 0. 0. 7 into 100. 700. 22 into 4. 400. 22 into 400. 22 into 400. 22 into 400. We'll get 8,800. Correct? 60 into 900. 54,000. Next. 80.
128,000, sir. Next.
This one?
Next one.
128,000. Okay, next.
80,000.
80,000. Next.
28,800.
28,800. This one, and we need this one.
Sir,
Japama,
that is 3,200, no? FD. 4. Fifth one. This
no,
one.
What's the sum? This one?
Yes, sir. Their fifth place. Here 0, 70, 440, 1800. That is 3,200, no?
This one?
80 into 40.
Yes, sir, it is 3,200.
3,200.
Sir, FD square is 300, 300.
300, 300.
Yes.
Okay. Now empty. $70, $440, 1,800, 3,200, 1,600, 480. Yes, what is the value? Secretary,
Sir,
what is the FD value? FD.
Sir, FD value is 5,970.
Now 300 divided by, I think this is 212, na? N value.
212. Yes, sir.
Yes.
yes, sir.
5,970 divided by 212 whole square. So standard deviation is equal to 300.
Sir, excuse me, sir. Sir,
Chipama?
sir,
Yes.
I am getting FD value at 7,590, sir.
Yes, sir. 7,590.
This is
Yes, sir.
75. Answer I want same. Previous problem, arithmetic mean and assumed mean will be same. Let me check it. No problem. 7590 you got, okay. Divided by 212 whole square. So 300, 1,416.50 minus 7590 divided by 212. 35.80 whole square. Standard deviation is equal to 1416.50 minus 1281.77 is equal.
Sir, we can't see the down part. Okay.
1416.5 minus 1281.77. So 134.
Sir, it is 1281.64.
This one 70. 13470.
Yes, sir, it is 1281.64.
Just a moment. So what is the previous answer? Assumed mean.
11
arithmetic
point-
means. Standard deviation.
11.60.
11.6.
Absolutely right.
11.60.
11.60. This is the correct.
Sir, that is 34.86, sir.
8680. What is the difference, Amma? 11.60 we are getting. The previous problem also 11.60 correct. Okay.
Sir, there the value
Yes,
is
sir.
1281.64, sir, not 0.77.
Six
1281.64.
Okay. 6
4.
4.
Sir, but we get 11.61 as the answer if we take 64.
I got 11.60 correct answer.
Sir, you do
sir,
further
if we take
calculation, sir, you subtract that.
Sir, if we take 1 to 8.